Maida 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Oil 3 tablespoons. Start kneading the dough. Add oil if needed. As you can see, the dough must hold shape. Add water accordingly and knead a soft and smooth dough. After you finish kneading the dough, tuck the dough and rest it for 20 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Dust the dough in the floor. You can either use corn flour or normal maida. Roll out the dough. As you can see, roll out a thin dough. Make sure that it is not too thin. Similarly, make 6 rotis of the same size. Dust the flour on the roti and apply the oil. Add another layer of roti, dust the flour and apply oil. Similarly, repeat the process. Apply flour and oil to the last layer also. Roll the dough tightly. Apply water at last to seal the dough tightly. Cut them into equal pieces. Press the pieces as shown. Do not press them too tightly as the layers in between shouldn't stick with each other. The reason why we have added flour and oil to each layer is this. Roll out each piece. Make sure that you don't roll out them too tightly. Add the pieces into the oil. Make sure that the stove is off and the oil is not too hot. As you can see, the pieces come up slowly. As you can see, we have seen each and every layer present in the khaja. Fry them until they become golden brown. As you can see, that is the perfect color. Transfer them to a plate. Similarly, fry the second batch. Make sure that they turn into golden brown and transfer them into a plate. Let's make the sugar syrup. Add 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add 3 pieces of ilachi. Add the khajas one by one. Soak the khajas in the sugar syrup for a while and remove them once when they are done and transfer them into the serving plate. Crispy and juicy khajas are ready.